How to clean Converse Chuck 70. We wanted to highlight conscious brands and sneakers that are practicing sustainable and reducing waste in their production, and how our products can clean these conscious sneakers. You will need our sneaker cleaner, premium brush, a container of water, microfiber towel, sneaker wipes, odor protector, and our sneaker protector. Start removing the laces so that we can clean them at a later stage. Use our premium brush to remove any dry and loose dirt from the shoe. When this dry dirt has been removed, you can use our sneaker wipe to get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains. Now we can go into deep clean. Generously spray the sneaker with sneaker cleaner, focusing on areas where a lot of dirt has built up. Dip the premium brush into water and scrub the upper of the shoe in small circular motions. Repeat this process until the dirt has been removed from the canvas material. Once you've cleaned your uppers, make your way down to the midsoles of the shoe. Use our microfiber towel to wipe away the foam and dirt and set them aside to dry. Now you can clean the laces. The laces can be cleaned by spraying sneaker cleaner on them and rubbing them together in your hands. Dip them in water to create a foam and continue to rub them together until they are looking clean. Wring out the moisture and leave to dry. Once dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for protecting them. Spray your inner soles if they are removable and the inside of your kicks with our odor protector to protect them from unwanted odors. Lastly, generously spray the outside of your sneakers with our sneaker protector to protect them from dirt and stains, as well as making future cleanings easier. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your Converse Chuck 70s. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.